Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be making miso ramen. So I've got a boiling pot of water here for the noodles. Before we come to that, we're just going to fry up some of our veggies. So here I'm putting a tablespoon of sesame oil. Into there we're going to put some onion. And a bit of cabbage and carrots. Just fry that off. After that, I'm just going to put a quarter teaspoon of ginger and garlic. And then I've got about 60 grams of minced pork here, which I'm going to add in here as well. And we'll just cook all that through. Just going to add a tad more oil. Alright, now we're going to add some miso paste, about a good generous 2 teaspoons. Let's give that a good stir. And then into there we're going to add, we're going to add our bean sprout. Let's cook all that out. And then and minced 1 tablespoon. I'm just going to cook that pork out. While that's going, the other pot just boiling away, we're going to drop our noodles. They'll take a minute or so. Try that soup and make sure that's what we require. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right. So these noodles will probably take about a minute. That soup's done now. Just going to turn that down. Okay, noodles are done. We're just going to strain those. Turn this down. Alright, so get a nice big deep bowl. Place your ramen into the bowl. Like so. And then into there just pour your garnish. And we're just going to garnish that. With some one boiled egg, just cut in half, and some corn. And there we have it. Miso ramen.